You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this fictional character from the Vampire Chronicles novel series. A name from French. In French it is said as Lestat, the T is silent, Lestat de Lioncourt, a silent T there as well. Lestat de Lioncourt. In English you could say it as Lestat de Lioncourt, Lestat de Lioncourt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.